My name is Emrah Er, and I'm an assistant professor of physiology and biophysics at University of Illinois at Chicago at the College of Medicine. And I always wanted to be an architect growing up, but it was very interesting to me how things were built and what they were made of. And once I started middle school and high school, I was very fortunate to have great teachers as biology teachers at middle school and high school. And I had great professors when I was an undergraduate for biochemistry. And there I gained a lot of interest in understanding how biological building blocks were made, how tissues were organized, and what happened to those tissues when things started going wrong. And right now I'm studying cancer, and I'm doing a lot of deep understanding of how each of the components of the system interacts with each other. And it really is fascinating to me because by studying a pathological condition like cancer, you can actually learn a lot about what our bodies normally do and what they do wrong and what they do right. And in that process, I think the real joy comes from not from those big discoveries that you see in the news and the articles, but it actually comes from the little joys that happen throughout the day in the life of a scientist. When I get a simple experiment working, that's really joyous. And usually, you just keep building circumstantial evidence to solve a greater puzzle. And that's what's really fascinating to me, that at the end of the day, you end up with all this evidence that makes up a story that allows you to understand how life works.